सो वी हैव क्वेश्चन नंबर 1.15 एंड द क्वेश्चन सेज कि एक्वा सॉल्यूशन आपके पास है जो कि 2% नॉन वोलाटाइल सॉल्यूट प्रेजेंट है उसके अंदर एंड एक्सर्ट्स अ प्रेशर ऑफ 1.004 बार आफ्टर मिक्सिंग लाइक द मिक्सिंग हैपन आफ्टर दैट pressure is exerted by the solution, right? So at the normal boiling point of the solvent, what is the molar mass of the solute? तो आपका मोलर मास ऑफ द सॉल्यूट पूछा है जो कि आपका नॉन वोलाटाइल है, राइट? तो इसे हम कैसे अप्रोच करेंगे? ये आपका कॉलिगेटिव प्रॉपर्टी का है और एनसीईआरटी में इसका स्टैंडर्ड फार्मूला दिया हुआ है। आपने पढ़ा होगा तो आपको ये फार्मूला दिखा होगा एनसीईआरटी में, इसी का यहाँ पर यूज करना है। तो ये कैसे यूज करना है? तो सबसे पहले तो हम देख लेते हैं कि इसे सॉल्व कैसे करेंगे। सबसे पहले गिवन डैट में आपको लिख लेना है सारा डेटा। डेट इज वेपर प्रेशर ऑफ प्योर सॉल्वेंट वाटर P1 sat you can write or P1 dot you can write, that is 1.013 bar at normal boiling point, and the vapor pressure of a solution is we have 1.004 bar, right? And the concentration of the solution is 2% weight by weight, right? The mass of the solute is, let's assume 100 gram basis, 100 gram basis. So 2% is you're going to be in non-volatile solute and the solvent is 98 gram, right? So the molar mass of the solvent, that is water, we know 18 gram. And now we are going to use the basic formula that is given in NCERT is equal to P1 sat minus P1 by P1 sat is equal to W2 into M1 by W1 into M2, right? This is the formula, and M2 is the molar mass of the solute here, right? Now you have to just put the value. You know the value of you can see here, you know the value of P naught, you know the value of P naught, you know the value of P1, you know the value of P naught, you know the value of W2, you know the value of M1 molecular weight of water, and you know the value of W1, that is mass of the water. You don't know the M2, that is molecular weight of the solute, right? So you just have to put all the values here. Just put all the values, and one thing you don't know is the molecular weight of the solute, and you have to find that by keeping that aside. And now you have to solve this, and that you are going to get is M2 is equal to 41.4 gram per mole, and hence the molecular weight of the non-volatile solute is 41.4 gram per mole. And that is just a formula based question, right? So you just have to know the formula, and once you have practiced that, you know that this is going to apply here, and it is going to be very easy for you once you know those things ki this is formula and here I have to apply, and that is come with practice. You have to solve the NCERT, and that question came directly in exams, right? So simply solve that and go to the answers.